So today, the demo I'll show you is just an example, and it kind of ties to, if you've attended previous webinars, kind of tied it to our user maintenance and our governance for this example. So for today's example, you might want to use your manager. So you have users in the system, and you might want to look at each user's manager in order to determine who needs to approve something. So from time to time, maybe we want to go out and make sure everybody's got a manager assigned to them, and if that manager is still active in the system. What this does in this request type is you can set this up for all kinds of different scenarios, but for this one, you create the spreadsheet to get out the data of all the users with no managers. We'll execute that workflow step. That'll create a spreadsheet with the data. You can go out and pass that spreadsheet around and do whatever you need to do to get all the managers into the spreadsheet, so every user has a manager. And then when you're done, you would check the spreadsheet back in on top of the one that you checked out, and then execute the update resources workflow step. And what that will do, it will read the spreadsheet you loaded, and it will go out and update those users and add the manager. So with that, I'll go ahead and show you how it works. I'll just go ahead and create the spreadsheet. In our database, in our PPM instance, we have around 200 users with no managers. So it's completed. I'll go ahead and open this spreadsheet. And in fact, I'll go ahead and check it out. Okay. I'll open that spreadsheet. Okay, so as you can see, you've got the resource username and the resource name. We've got around 211 users with no managers. So, just for our example today, I will just go in and update a few here, and then we'll load it back up. Oh, I have to enable editing. Okay. I'll add the manager name and username here. And we'll just do 2. So if we come back in here later, we generate another spreadsheet, we should see there's only 209 users with no manager. And then we can go and look at these 2 resources in the system and see that the manager got added. So I'll save this. I'll go and check it back in. Okay, we'll update the resources. All right, so first we'll go and take a look at those resources. And you'll see that Joey Howe now has a manager. And Gerald as well has a manager. And if we come back here and we want to do this again, maybe it's next month, we create the spreadsheet again. We open it. Okay, so now we have a refreshed view of users with no managers. And if we scroll down to the bottom, we should see now we only have 209 returned to us. So just a simple example. You can get your creative juices flowing as to how you could use this.